Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2000 Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle Road Glide CVO with 59,657 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with true dual exhaust, Kuriak and inner primary cover, extended shift levers, an upgraded seat, front and rear fender trim, rear turn signal light bar, grips, tall windshield, an upgraded tour pack, luggage rack, and tour pack spoiler lights. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. The Road Glide has been a fan favorite for years due to its hearty power and distinct styling, and with the addition of its stunning burgundy paint scheme and factory custom details, the CVO Road Glide stands out among its other Harley contemporaries. Powered by a 95 cubic inch V-twin motor, it puts 78 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 26.9 inch seat height and weighs in at 782 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.